Welcome to Week 13, Research Methodologies in Adult Learning. In this lecture, we examine how scholars investigate adult learning through qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods approaches. Our goal is not only to describe these designs, but to understand how each contributes to evidence-based practice in higher education, workforce development, and community learning contexts. Qualitative research is especially valuable when the focus is on meaning, context, and lived experience. Through interviews, focus groups, observations, and document analysis, researchers explore how adults interpret learning, identity, motivation, and change. In adult education, this approach helps explain why learners persist, disengage, or transform their practice. Narrative and life history research are central here. These methods examine the stories adults tell about work, family, migration, schooling, and return to education. Such accounts reveal how learning is shaped by biography, culture, and social structure. Quantitative research, by contrast, emphasizes measurement, comparison, and generalization. Surveys, experimental designs, and statistical analysis allow researchers to test hypotheses about adult learning outcomes, retention, achievement, and program effectiveness. For example, a study might compare two instructional strategies to determine which yields greater gains in digital literacy or in professional certification performance. Quantitative methods are especially useful when institutions must evaluate scale, efficiency, and measurable impact. Mixed methods research integrates both traditions. This design is particularly powerful in adult learning because it combines numerical evidence with participant perspectives. A mixed method study may show whether an intervention improved outcomes and explain how learners experienced it. In this way, the approach supports a more complete and credible understanding of adult learning processes. Evaluating adult learning interventions requires attention to both effectiveness and context. Researchers ask, did the intervention work? For whom did it work? Under what conditions? And why? Strong evaluation designs align research questions, data sources, and analytic methods. They also consider ethical issues, participant voice, and practical relevance. In adult learning research, success is not only an increase in test scores, but also improved confidence, persistence, agency, and application in real-world settings. As we conclude, remember that rigorous adult learning research is grounded in methodological fit. The best design is the one that matches the question, respects adult learners as complex agents, and generates knowledge that can inform policy, practice, and institutional improvement.